Hello, this is Mr. Spencer, Magnet Coordinator here at Hall Steam Magnet High School. Today we're excited to talk to you about our new academies for the upcoming school year. Here at Hall Steam, we are proud to offer the Academy of Engineering and the Academy of Health Sciences. The goal of these academies is to provide a rigorous, relevant, hands-on engaging education to prepare students for college and/or career readiness. First, you will hear about the Academy of Engineering from two of the best engineering educators around, Mr. Les Williams and Mr. Chris Lucky. Together, these two have over 30 years of teaching engineering education here in Arkansas. Let's learn a little more about what they have planned for the state-of-the-art Academy of Engineering here at Hall Steam Magnet High School.
Engineering Academy is what it sounds like. It's a general engineering academy that covers all the broad strokes that you find in any quality college or career pathway in the engineering realm. That includes direct applications of science, mathematics, electronics, and actually making things work or making things work better. So we're very excited about the opportunity to take what Little Rock School District has begun in several places, mature that and grow that into what we are confident will be a national level program, competitive, and will give our students the experiences they need to be wildly successful in college programs anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world, or if they want to make that leap right into career or do both at the same time. It starts off with a course called Introduction to Engineering Design. Mr. Lucky's been teaching that primarily for a few years now. So how would you describe that course?
Intro to Engineering Design is the class where you get to learn how to think like an engineer, and that involves how to keep your legal engineering notebook, how to document your work, a little bit about spatial reasoning and measurement, things that really get you prepared to go in any other direction of engineering that you like.
One of the things about the Engineering Academy is that we're not using software that's made up for high school. We're using industrial strength software that you would find in the industry. Regardless, it allows you to take that thought you had in your head and produce it as a 3D model. But our next course allows us to take it to the next step. Principles of Engineering is the Mechanics, Electronics, and Robotics course. All these courses have a foundation of a nationally known program called Project Lead the Way. Project Lead the Way is a program that was designed by engineers for engineering, sensitive to the fact that we're working with high school students. Some of our schools in Little Rock School District also have a gateway program that leads very naturally into a Project Lead the Way foundation course. So in the next course, Principles of Engineering, Robotics, Mechanics, Electronics. In this particular course, our students learn coding in the C+ family of languages to make all that happen. The next course from there is Computer Integrated Manufacturing, the idea of the cutting robots. Robots that have drill-like devices on them, but can take metal or wood, softwood or hardwood, and make that shape come alive. And in addition, we have 3D printers, which most people are kind of familiar with now. But we use those to come up with our concept, rapid prototype them, and produce them in these machines that you usually only find in high industry someplace. The next of the series of 4 courses is EDD, which is Engineering, Development, and Design. In this particular class, you take a series of ideas, work with the team, develop that idea, and run it pretty much throughout the rest of the year. So in that class, you're basically designing your own emphasis, your own thing that you want to work on with the group. Of course, along the way, students have the opportunity to pick from a group of courses to design an emphasis program that they like for themselves. So even inside of the engineering emphasis program, you can design a program that is really tailored to what you're interested in. And then, as with most of our academies here, you'll do an internship that last year, either working alongside people in the industry or working with projects with people who have industry knowledge and expertise in this area. So you're really ready for whatever comes next.
So I would like to just kind of mention what a unique and special opportunity this is for students who might not otherwise have the opportunity to be exposed to things like 3D printers, CNC machines, and some of this software we've been talking about. This equipment is usually expensive. It's not easy to find. If you do get your own, it's hard to learn how to use it. And we're removing a lot of barriers for those students that might be interested in it, but still might not know how to go and access that and how to get trained to use it. And we're going to expose them to that and give them an opportunity to learn how to use that to whatever their imagination can conjure. And I think that's really going to be unique and very interesting to see what we get out of it.
As you can see, our Academy of Engineering will be the center of engineering for the entire state of Arkansas, and we are excited about the energy Mr. Williams and Mr. Lucky will bring to the Academy. Our freshman students will also have the option of enrolling in our Academy of Health Sciences. This academy will focus on a wide range of opportunities in the medical industry. If you're interested in pursuing a medical or health major in college, then our biomedical pathway is where you want to be. This pathway will allow college-bound students to tackle real-world challenges in the medical industry while in high school, such as discovering new cancer treatments, forensic anthropology, and DNA analysis. These projects will occur through simulations, dissections, and 3D modeling. This pathway would build a strong foundation for college. Upon completion of this pathway, students will have earned an additional 4 science credits for a total of 7 to 8 total science credits at graduation. If you ask me, this looks pretty spectacular when applying for college. For those interested in pursuing college and/or careers in dentistry, then our Foundations of Healthcare pathway is the place for you. This pathway will allow students the opportunity to receive their dental assisting certification, which also looks great on a college application, or can be used for career readiness after high school. We also have 2 additional pathways in food and nutrition dietetics and medical office administration if you choose that route. No matter what academy you choose, all students will graduate with the necessary skills for college or career. For those students wanting to max out on their education experience, we also offer the full range of AP classes that can be taken within these academies. We are so excited about all the possibilities our academies have to offer, and our teachers and staff are ready to take you full steam ahead. We are looking forward to seeing you in the halls of Hall-Steam Magnet High School next school year, where your future is powered by STEAM.